Are all ceramic coatings the same? No. Ceramic coatings are a high solid liquid glass that form a permanent protection on various surfaces. They're not just for car paint. Different ceramic coating formulas are designed to specifically work on different surfaces on your vehicle. There are also varying qualities of ceramic coatings. There's consumer grade, professional grade, and then there's the knockoffs. That's why it's so important to do your research before selecting a ceramic coating to put on your vehicle. The most common are paint coatings. Those are designed to be put on your automotive paint, give that glossy look that you desire, add UV protection, and to make your car easier to clean. Then we have wheel coatings. Wheel coatings are designed to withstand harsh conditions like brake dust, road grime, and high heat. Glass coatings are designed for your windshield and all of your windows to improve visibility by repelling water, dirt, and even ice. Then you have interior coatings. Those are designed to protect leather, plastic, fabric against stains, spills, and even UV damage. Because each coating is designed for a specific surface, applying it to the wrong surface could actually cause application issues and ineffective protection, or possibly even damage the surface. That is why it's so important to choose the right ceramic coating if you're doing it yourself, and also to choose the right installation facility if you seek out a professional. My name's Adam with Ceramic Pro. If you have any more questions about this topic or any other, please drop them down below.